You got really lucky. You should have driven more carefully. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how to use should have plus the past participle. We use should to talk about something that is good to do now or in the future. We use should have plus the past participle to talk about something that was good to do in the past but didn't happen. Let's look at an example. Paul has a test tomorrow. He should study today. In this case, he should study means studying is a good thing to do. So Paul didn't study for his test. He failed his test. So we can say, Paul should have studied for his test. This means studying was a good thing to do in the past, but he didn't do it. Let's look at some more examples. I bought a new phone on Friday. It went on sale for half price on Monday. So we can say, I should have waited to buy the phone. I stayed up late watching a movie last night. Then I fell asleep at my desk today. I shouldn't have watched the movie. I should have gone to bed earlier. Now it's your turn. Try making a sentence using should have plus the past participle. I went to a sci-fi movie yesterday. It was terrible. Tuan saw a comedy. He said it was great. I should have gone to see the comedy. You got really lucky. You should have driven more carefully. Why did you walk home in the rain? You should have taken a taxi or bus. My date was horrible. I should have stayed home. Practice in the comments. Is there anything you should have done recently? Do you want to practice speaking English? Join the Acquire English Club. Learn from and chat with native English teachers. Practice your English with learners from all over the world. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon.